the hot girls make it pop, pop, pop. Bad bitches with the bag say, ay, ay, ay. If he ain't talking about no money, tell him bye, bye, bye. And if you see a mad hoe, tell her ha, ha, ha. Hey, don't get mad, hoe. Get a bag, hoe. Don't get mad, hoe. Get a bag, hoe. Yeah, don't get mad, hoe. Fuck a broke hoe. Don't get mad, hoe. Get a bag, hoe. Spicy, pricey, neck and wrist icy. Bitches money.
Alright, I was trying to this tutorial and my man was in. So I'm just gonna, if it's skip parts, I'll do them. And I got chill and everything. So, like, I get extra gel and I use it like extra gel too because I'm natural. So I'm gonna take some of this. This ain't the extra, I really ain't just that. I'm gonna take some of this. And it's a mirror in front of me, in case y'all wonder what I'm looking at. There's a mirror right in front of me, sis. Hey, yes, girl, I know I got a robe on.
I use a good amount of gel out here, so please don't judge me. I really thick here.
I just sprayed some of my leave-in position on the bed. And voila. I get the small one. It's the Edge Booster. And I get in this flavor. What flavor is this? Cucumber lime. And I use quite a bit of this. So I use quite a bit.
So I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna put it up here on my head. Put it on my edges. And I might go over the edges. And this is what I use for my baby hairs too. Not my baby hairs. My face burning. This is what I use my face burning too. And I put it on my hair over here. And check it. This is like a perfect snake bag or whatever. But it's something. So, it's gonna fix you, baby. It's gonna fix you.
Okay, so this is true. Those are like